In today's video, I will be showing you how to do a simple 4-cornrow hairstyle. So I will be using the Cantu Detangling Spray to detangle the hair first. So now I'm doing a center part, which helps me a lot in getting equal cornrows on both sides, knowing that I'll be doing 4 cornrows. So now that I've finished parting the hair, I'm just going to separate it with my separating clip so it doesn't get into my way. I like to use the African Pride Lock and Twist gel to clean up my parts, which I'm using now. So as you guys can see, this is my first cornrow that I've just parted. So I'm just using my African Pride Lock and Twist gel to clean up my parting, just as I did prior with my center part, and then I will get straight into my cornrow after I clean my parting up. After cleaning up my partings, I like to add a bit of gel at the edges of the hair so it gives that nice and lasting hold. And now I'm doing my first cornrow. As you can see, that gel that I applied to the edges of the hair, it helps a lot as well because it keeps it in place, and it also helps the cornrow to last way longer because it holds. So it's a really good gel. If you're interested, you can always try it. So now I'll be doing my second cornrow, as I showed you my first cornrow how I did it from start to finish. So I'll just be doing the same thing with the second cornrow. So that's the second one done, and it's all equal in sizes, just as I love it. This is my third cornrow, which means I'm getting really close to the end. So I'm just gonna finish this up and then we'll move on to the last and final one. Now that I'm finished, I like to use the Got To Be mousse because it soothes the scalp, tames frizz, and also leaves the hair looking really nice and shiny. This is the finishing touch, nice and neat. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So see you guys on my next video. Bye.